everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 14th to the 18th of September 2020 on Monday. Mangcobo gets an unwelcome visitor at night. Kapsile and Kabanga have a testing first day at their new home, and Figile realizes something is very different in her relationship on Tuesday. Mangcobo rocks the entire family's life. Madonga gets a glimpse into the harsh reality of the life that awaits him, and Sbu realizes he will not get away with his lies for long. On Wednesday, Hleziphi decides to get proactive to solve the Mangcobo problem. Kapsile becomes suspicious of Madonga's behavior, and Figile starts to feel like the breadwinner. On Thursday, Kunzi orders an unusual form of punishment that compromises Mangcobo. Madonga's dream of Fetal is fading. Guys Mbata is starting to use his power as a pastor, sleeping with young girls from the church. Poor Madonga marriage is starting to be more practical now. Figile finally confides in a friend about solely holding down her relationship financially. On Friday, Mangcobo managed to get under Njeza's skin. Mr. Mbata gets tempted in the worst possible way, and Figile struggled to find a way to deal with her dilemma in the form of Sbu. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your thoughts. If you want the full episode, I will leave the link on the comment section. Till we meet again, I love you so much guys. Bye.